Okay, hi guys. How do you get back to your results? You took the career cluster inventory yesterday, or maybe you did the reality check or any of the other assignments. Well, how do you get back to your results? First thing you do is you go to My Portfolio, just hover on top of it, go down to Sort and Assessment Results, and you can see that I have done a few of these. So let's say you're going back to your career cluster inventory. It will say the title right here, and then you choose the one that you did yesterday or the day before or whenever you did it. So you just click restore results or answer set, continue, and now you're ready. All right, so once you restore your results, you can click on any of these clusters here and research them. Okay, so that's it.